Are you looking for the best PC case CPU room desktop computer? In this video we will look at some of the best PC case CPU room desktop computer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PADO PC case CPU room M-ATX desktop computer. The 270 degrees panoramic design without A-pillars increases your DIY viewing experience. Double-sided tempered glass M-ATX chassis, integrating performance and beauty. There are heat dissipation holes on the top and bottom, and there is a larger heat dissipation space, so you don't have to worry about heat dissipation. Model PADO color black, white type M-ATX chassis compatible motherboard M-ATX/ITX chassis size 346x275 338mm CPU height limit 155mm max graphics card length limit 320mm hard disk space HDD1, SSD1 panel interface power/reset/USB 3.0x1/ USB 2.0x1/HD audio. Number 2. PADO M-ATX gaming PC case desktop. Model color black, white type M-ATX chassis compatible motherboard M-ATX/ITX chassis size 346x275 338mm CPU height limit 155mm max graphics card length limit 320mm max hard disk space HDD1, SSD1 panel interface power/reset/USB 3.0x1/USB 2.0x1/HD audio. Number 3. Powertrain Small K Heterogeneous desktop computer. Product name Small K cabinet color black, white, pink applicable motherboard Mini ATX/Micro ATX/Mini ITX panel interface USB 3.0x1/USB 2.0x1/audio interface audio expansion drive 3.5 HDDX1, 2.5 inches SSDX3 or 3.5 HDDX2. 2.5 inches SSDX1 PCI slots for tempered glass left and right tempered glass graphics card length limit 340mm CPU heatsink height limit 165mm cooling system front 12cm fan 2 top 12cm fan 2 rear 12cm fan 2 water cooling system front 240mm water cooling rear 120mm water cooled. Number 4. Powertrain P60 M-ATX portable computer. Product name P60 cabinet color black, white, gray product size 378x195 290mm material thickness SPCC baking paint 0.7mm thickened power length ATX power supply 150x140 86mm SFX power supply 125x164mm CPU heatsink height limit 168mm graphics card length limit 350mm front panel unlocked fan 335mm after locking the fan on the front panel applicable motherboard Micro ATX/Mini ITX panel interface USB 3.0 Type C audio. Number 5. 2025 Z20 MATX Computer. Johnsbo Z20 MATX Computer Case Portable Mini ATX PC Case for MATX/240 Water Cooling Desktop Chassis Support 363mm Graphics Card Z20 Tempered Glass Plate Building a compact desktop console, although full of fun, also faces many trade-offs. As the size of the chassis shrinks, the conflicts between compatibility, heat dissipation, and installation experience gradually increase. Therefore, only a few experienced users have a clear construction concept and assembly ability. In this regard, we constantly consider how to optimize the design, maintain a compact hardware layout, and improve internal hardware compatibility, ultimately allowing more users to experience the practicality and fun of miniaturized models.